We're getting ready. Jack clams. More clams. Do you know what's happening? Something's happening.
Here's your fly.
Firecracker. Some partial stuffing. More ingredients. Shrimp. Figzilla. I've never seen anything like it. I'm 81 yesterday. I'm going to have 8 million figs. We're having a birthday dinner today, Friday. Some dummy has finally made it to 81. If you remember what this thing looked like in April, she made a raging comeback. Look at this baby. Good gracious. Anyway, Monday, I had a, what the hell they call it? A back ablation. I don't know, they shoot steroids in your hips and your, I guess, back. The greatest thing I ever did. I don't know how long it lasts. I know it doesn't last forever, but I can tell you one thing. I should have done it several years sooner. I am enjoying life at 81. Besides being 81, I mean. Stand by. Let's go back in the kitchen. Clam fritters. Clams and onions. Pancake mix. Secret ingredients.
Yeah. Sponsored that. Which I kind of do. I'm sitting over here, her brother's wife, her sister-in-law,